Now I will start line-wise explanation of the chapter Footprints Without Feet, chapter 5, book supplementary. Can a man become invisible? This is the story of a scientist who discovers how to make himself invisible. Does he use or misuse his discovery? In this chapter is about a scientist. The scientist's name was Mr. Griffin. Mr. Griffin was really a very brilliant scientist, but he was very lawless person. But by working hard, he discovered a medicine, a very rare medicine, and he gobbled up that medicine and became invisible. Being invisible, he did not help the country, he did not do any noble work, but he misused his discovery. And in this chapter we will study about that. Mr. Griffin, when he became invisible and he had to remove his clothes from his body, he became without clothes, without money, without clothes, without money, and he was wandering in the street of London. And same time when he was wandering, walking, his feet fell in some mud, and some mud stick to his feet, and he was invisible. He went to a big London house, and in that London house, when he was walking, he was leaving footprints without feet. Two little boys were following the footprints of Griffin, and these boys were much confused, bewildered, and much puzzled from where these footprints are appearing. The chapter starts from here. The two boys started, it is spelling mistake here, stared word is here, stared. Stared means looked fixedly. Stared means looked fixedly. Yeah, to gaze. Two boys stared in surprise at the fresh muddy imprints of a pair of bare feet. The two boys were in London, big London house, and they were gazing, they were looking fixedly with great surprise towards the footprints of a feet that was appearing in the big London house. The man was not visible. From where footprints were appearing in the big London house, it was a great mystery for the two boys, and the two boys were following the footprints which were without feet. There was no man, but the fresh footprints were appearing on the floor of the big London house. What was a bare-footed man doing on the steps of a house? The two boys were much confused, and they thought that a man without wearing slippers, without wearing shoes, what a bare-footed man, a naked feet man is doing in the house of the London. In London, generally everybody wears slippers, wear shoes, and in London house, here the two boys were following the footprints without feet, so they were amazed, they were surprised, they were shocked. In the middle of London, it was not matter of a countryside, a rural area, but it was a matter of a great urban area in the middle of London. So it was a great surprise for the two boys. The two boys were much surprised, confused that what a man without slippers, without shoes, walking in the floor of the London. And where was the man? Because footprints were appearing one by one, but the man was not visible, and the two boys were not able to see the man whose footprints are appearing on the floor, and where is the man? So they were much confused. They gazed. The gaze means also एकटक देखना, to look fixedly, and stared means also to look fixedly. They gazed, a remarkable sight met their eyes. When the two boys looked very attentively towards the floor of the London house, then they saw a very remarkable sight. Remarkable means very important sight. Very important sight. A fresh footmark appeared from nowhere, and they were looking very attentively towards the footprints which were appearing on the floor in the London house. And when they looked attentively, they found a new fresh footmarks appeared from somewhere, but the man was not visible. Further footprints followed, and in a few minutes another footprints appeared on the floor of the London house, one after another, and thus one after another footprints were appearing, descending the steps and progressing down the streets. These footprints were appearing and moving down from the upstairs towards the downstairs, and the footprints was moving toward the street outside of the house. The boys followed. The two boys were confused, fascinated, attracted, surprised, but they were following the footprints that was appearing on the floor of the London house without a man. They were much attracted, surprised, until the muddy impression became fainter and fainter. Fainter means lighter. The footprints, first it was dark, but when the mud dried up from the feet of the griffin, then the footprints became very lighter and lighter, and at last disappeared altogether. And when all the mud that stuck to the feet of griffin that dried up, then the footprints became fainter and fainter, and at last the footprint disappeared completely from the floor. The explanation of the mystery was really simple enough. Really, the explanation of this strange event, mystery means very secret, strange event, was simple. The boys could tell anybody that they had seen the footprints without feet, the footprints without a man, but no one would believe to the tongue of the boys, upon the boys. The bewildered boys, bewildered means confused, puzzled boys, had been following a scientist who had just discovered how to make human body transparent. Really, actually, these two boys who were following the footprints without feet in the London house, and they were following a scientist. The name of that scientist was Mr. Griffin, and Mr. Griffin had discovered a rare drug, a rare medicine, and he had eaten up that medicine, and he had made his body transparent. Transparent means through which we can see. It means invisible. Griffin the scientist had carried out experiment after experiment to prove that human body could become invisible. This scientist name was Griffin. He was really a brilliant scientist, and he continued experiment after experiment. After many experiments, he discovered a medicine and he made his body invisible. Thus it was clear that he was able to prove that human body could become invisible. Finally, he swallowed means gobbled up, ate up, a certain rare drugs. Rare means very hard to find, drugs means medicine, and his body became transparent as sheet of glass, though it also remained as solid as glass. And when he had discovered a very rare, very hard drug, then he gobbled up that drug and his body became transparent. It means when his body was covered with any cloth, with anything, that will be visible. When that will be without any cover, then he would become transparent, and anyone could see through his body. It means then he would become invisible. Although he was transparent, anyone can see through, but he was as solid as sheet of glass. Sheet of glass is also transparent. You can see through, but you cannot pass through anything. Same way, Mr. Griffin's body was also solid, and you can see through, but you cannot pass anything through the body of Mr. Griffin. Thus, Mr. Griffin became invisible by eating a rare drug which he had discovered after thousands of experiments.